you will get in clarity on that, and you can design your LinkedIn accordingly. Alright, let's have a look into this. So right now I'll just show you how to design a proper LinkedIn profile. So when it comes to a proper LinkedIn profile, what is the first important thing? That is your URL. If you just see my URL is customized, you just need to make your URL in that way. You just need to make your URL customized so that if anyone can search, they can easily search into this. Alright, this is the first tip. This is the first one. Then second one is you just need to make your cover pic in a very proper way, which signify your profile. If I am talking about myself, if you just check my cover pic over here, growth images are there. It is a connection. It means that there is a network in there. So it's showcasing my profile or my expertise or my career. Okay, my career you can see over here. So that is the very much that has a great importance to you, so that because it's showcasing what your field is all about. Alright, so you just make sure that your cover pic is attractive. Along with that, it should looks like a professional kind. Alright, then third one is you just need to make your image or profile pic in a very proper way. There should not be any background or image should be there which is disrupting. Alright, so make sure that you have a proper profile where background is totally into white or any other color which you can choose for yourself, but make sure that should not have any kind of disruption. Alright, then third thing is you should write your name very properly as per your career certificate name. So I have written my name as per my certificate, so you can see it over here. And this is the if you just see, this is the pronunciation I have made for myself, how to pronounce my name. Then this is, and then then fifth one is this one, which signifying your identity, which showcasing what your profession is all about. If you just see over here, you can see I have written over here marketing professionals, 4 year and counting, digital marketing professional and content analyst. Alright, so if you just check over this, you will get in clarity on that what my profession is all about, what is my expertise area. So I can showcase to anyone over there, and I can say that yes, I am doing this these are the works, and from there only they will get an idea like, okay, this is my expertise, this is what I am doing. Then third thing is I have updated my place, Pune, Maharashtra in India. Currently I am at Pune, so I have written this thing. So always remember, make sure that you have updated your tagline, your title. Along with that, you change your place name accordingly as per the place, because it is very much important when like any salesperson, when any marketing person wants to reach out to you, they should check it out this only, your title, your place you are belongs to right now. So make sure that if you want to change something, you can change all these things. Along with that, you can see my website, my information which I can wants to showcase for the people. If you see, if I just edit it, you can see like how I have designed all the things. You can see over here all the things, you can get it like this. Alright, so this is what you can see over here. And like you can see like what are the sessions which still like add profile session and more, I can write it down and I can update as well. So like, and then after that, if you want that, you can save it as a, you can get in a PDF format as well, so that it will be accuracy resume. Alright, so then about yourself, you just write it down as per your core competency, as per your work, as per your achievements, as per your career background and all. So therefore I have written over here my e-resume where I have mentioned my work. Along with that, I have written over here is I am into marketing domain with 4 years of work experience. I have designed all the things. In skill set, I have mentioned few keyword based marketing titles or keyword based marketing skill set which can help me to get into more into search result, because this has actually helped me a lot to get into search result, because I have mentioned most of the skill set over there. Then features, you can put your slide, you can put your YouTube links, you can put your any of the portfolio, whatever you want you can update over here. Make sure that these are value added. All right, so you can see like how many people, 683 people have viewed my profile, 381 people have post views, and 135 times I have search appearance. Okay, so this is what you can see over there, and this is my all activities. You can get it over there, and if you just want to see my all activities, you can check it over this. What are the activities I have done, like when it comes to article, post, documents, or if I like any if I like any post, or if I comment any post, that also you can see over there as well. Then experience, you can see over this. When it comes to experience, it plays a big role, because you just need to write it down all of your experience with a proper details. If I'm talking about my experience, most of them you can see like I have put some slides, some links over there, so that if anyone wants, they can see it properly, like okay, these are the works, or these are the core competency areas which I have, or what I can do for myself. So each and every details you can get it over this. All right, mostly in my all the experience, or all the experience, company experience, you can see I have write it down something. Along with that, I have put some images or links to that, so that it will create a more authentic, it will give you like authentic vibration, like yes, these are the works I have done. There's every time we can't tell people what we have done. Sometimes actions speak louder than words, so that's why you just need to put some images and links, so that it will reach to the proper site. Along with that, if you see this as well, there is also good number of images are there, and marketing executive you can see over here, and every profile you can get it like this. Similarly, I can go for education as well, and education I have put all the details which are required. Most make sure that you have written the major information, like your mostly you are into which area, like here I have done like my BTech into IT, so I have mentioned about this. Along with that, I have put my certificates. Here also I have put my MBA into which section, or which like which marketing or finance or HR, or these are the sectors which subject I have choose for myself. So along with that, I just put it like this and all. So likewise, I have put all the details along with the certificate and license certification. I have put all the details over there. You can check it out over here. Like these are the certificates